Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about something a little different, but still super cool and all about those amazing carrots. You might have heard whispers or even seen trends about carrots giving you a glow or even a bit of a tan. So, let's explore that. What's the real connection between carrots and healthy, radiant skin? Well, just like we talked about with eye health, it all circles back to our good friend, beta-carotene. Remember, that's the natural pigment that makes carrots so wonderfully orange. When you eat carrots, your body absorbs this beta-carotene. Now, some of it gets converted into vitamin A, which is essential for overall skin health. It helps with cell turnover, keeping your skin looking fresh and healthy. But here's where the glow part comes in. Not all the beta-carotene you eat gets turned into vitamin A. Some of it actually gets stored in the fat cells right under your skin. When enough of this beta-carotene builds up, it can give your skin a subtle, warm, and slightly golden tint. It's not like a deep, dark suntan, but more of a healthy, sun-kissed glow. Imagine it like a very, very light, natural bronzer from the inside out. Beyond that warm tint, carrots are also packed with antioxidants. These are like little protectors for your skin cells. Our skin is constantly exposed to things like pollution and UV rays from the sun, which can create damage. Antioxidants help to fight off this damage, which can lead to a healthier, more vibrant complexion. Think of it as giving your skin an extra layer of defense and helping it look its best, naturally. It's also worth remembering that carrots contain vitamin C, another fantastic antioxidant that's crucial for collagen production. Collagen is like the scaffolding of your skin, keeping it firm and supple. So, by supporting collagen, carrots are indirectly helping to keep your skin looking youthful and smooth. So, while you're not going to turn bright orange from eating a few carrots, incorporating them regularly into your diet can indeed contribute to a beautiful, healthy glow and help protect your skin from daily wear and tear. It's just another fantastic reason to love these humble, yet mighty, vegetables.